Hey, from TOPTEQ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the glass door lock G7. It's super easy. You just need a screwdriver like this, then you can install the lock. But before we get started, you have to ensure that you have all the components of the lock. Okay, let's do it.
Step 1. Tear off main plate film. Step 2. Stick main plate inside. Step 3. Tear off auxiliary plate film. Step 4. Stick auxiliary plate inside. Step 5. Take out battery case cover. Step 6. Fix main lock on the plate. Step 7. Take out the case cover. Step 8. Fix auxiliary lock on the plate. Step 9. Insert 4 pieces of batteries. Step 10. Check and operate the lock.